Hi, welcome to this session on RPC based web services. In this lesson, I will cover at the high level the topic of RPC based web services. Here, I will cover all the steps leading to the RPC based web services with a detailed peek into the important aspects of RPC based web services. In the RPC based web services, following concepts are involved: creation of a service, publishing the service details in a registry, service brokering, and accessing the service by a client application. In the first part of this session, I will explain about the concept, the creation of a service. In the concluding part, I will cover the publishing of the service and service invocation. While service creation is an application development work and can be achieved using any programming language or any platform, once the service is created, the service description is done using a web services specification called WSDL or WSDL. Next, the service needs to be published. For the publication of the service, a brokering application is necessary. The service information in the XML format is published on the server, and this uses another specification called the UDDI. And finally, the service invocation is necessary. Service invocation is done using web services specification called Simple Object Access Protocol or SOAP. As you may recall, I introduced to you these three terms as a part of the basic XML dialect in the previous module. For the RPC based web services, these three dialects are necessary. The following figure illustrates these three constituents of web services. We have the service provider, the service broker, and the service requester. Service creation is the first step. The service, in simple terms, is a method or a function in an application program that can be created on any platform using a suitable programming language. An application can typically offer several related services. These services could be related to each other. Once these services are available, these services needs to be published in a service registry. Service description. Service description is done using WSDL specification. The current WSDL specification is the WSDL 2.0. Service description is done using 5 elements: description, types, interface, binding, and service. A typical service definition is shown in the following figure. I will provide a more detailed information on WSDL a little later. In the next part of the video, I will take up service publication.